A widespread tornado outbreak is imminent throughout the next few days. Here's everything you need to know. On Sunday, March 14th, 2026, a large enhanced risk was issued for parts of Illinois all the way up to the Florida Panhandle, along with a 10% Level 1 Hatch tornado risk, as this severe weather threat will last from late afternoon to the early morning hours. But tomorrow is supposed to be even worse, with a moderate risk of severe weather along the East Coast, along with a 15% tornado risk with a dangerous 60% high wind outlook. Like and subscribe if you want more updates on this storm.